Thanks for watching this short video on the Quinte region price history. This is a report that we prepared and shows what prices have done over time and some reasons why they've done the things that they have. In this report, we'll go over definitions, what house price index has done over time, what benchmark price has done over time, what we've seen in terms of population growth, what we've seen in terms of draws to the area, inflation trends over time, and finally, future projections and how to contact us if you need more information. First up, some key definitions that you should know. House price index, or HPI, is a metric used to track price changes over time in a specific market. Benchmark price is just the dollar value of that HPI data. Composite is all of the residential property groups grouped into one, so including detached, semi-detached, condo, townhome, all into one. And then finally, inflation is the increase of overall prices over time, which reduces your buying power. Starting off with house price index. So house price index was first tracked in January of 2005 and starts at the base value of 100. And in the Quinte and district region, it's increased over time to a value of 342.8 at the latest data point we have in December of 2025. Benchmark price, we're going to see the exact same graph and the exact same trend, but the dollar value is going to be reflected in this graph. So it goes from about 143,000 in January of 2005 to about 490,000 in December of 2025. An explanation of this data. First off, benchmark price versus HPI, we've already covered. We'll use HPI just for clarity's sake and round numbers. HPI began in 2005 with the base value of 100 and increased pretty steadily over a decade. It increased about 37% from 2005 to 2016, reflecting about a 3.4% annualized increase, a pretty healthy and sustainable market. Growth began to increase sharply in 2016, and between 2016 and 2020, in just 4 years, increased 47%, outperforming the last 11 years by about 10% in about a third of the time. 2020 to 2025 was a volatile time in the market. From big run-up to price corrections to a somewhat stable market today, HPI peaked in March of 2022 at 425.5 and since has experienced about a 20% drawdown. Now, even with that drawdown, since 2005, there's still been about a 6% annualized increase in prices. Population growth obviously plays a huge part in where prices are headed. If population is increasing, usually prices are going up. If it's declining, then we have more supply than demand and prices would decline. So we've increased our population from 2005 to the current data we have about 13.2% in the region, with Belleville actually being the biggest increase at about 20% or 12,000 people. Local fundamentals matter, and our region's supported by more than just housing growth and population growth. We have key industries such as manufacturing, food processing, business services, and logistics, along with CFB Trenton, Canada's biggest Air Force base, which helps diversify and stabilize our local economy. We have post-secondary education, private schools, semi-private schools, and lots of things servicing the tourism industry, which again helps diversify and stabilize our economy and make it an attractive place for people to come and live. Inflation also has a huge impact on housing prices, and the value of our dollar has declined about 35% since 2005. And when inflation happens, asset prices tend to go up because all the costs associated with those asset prices go up. Our region is poised for growth with a pretty robust industrial sector, tourism, and big infrastructure projects in the pipeline. All this while having somewhat affordable prices, where prices aren't too far detached from incomes like we see in places like the GTA. Thanks for watching this short video on what prices in the Quinte region have done over time. Feel free to contact us anytime if you have any questions, and we hope you found some value in this report.